Hey everyone, Coin Searcher here, back again with another video, and today I'm going to be doing Bad Coin Deals Online, Episode 2. So anyways, let's jump right into it. I've been prowling eBay and Etsy this time, and I found 7 bad deals, so let's get right into it. Starting off, we have a 1956 Denver minted wheat cent. And I forgot to say, make sure to enter my 750 subscriber free giveaway for a chance to win some sweet, sweet silver. Anyways, let's start this again. Starting off, we have a 1956 Denver wheat cent for $2.50. I can get these at my LCS for around 2 cents each. So, it says it's a better grade too. Probably maybe lower AU, XF maybe. But anyways, it's obviously a bad deal for $2.50 plus $2.95 for shipping. On to our next deal. We have a older Jefferson here for $1 and $3.99 with shipping and handling. This is actually closer to me, Westlake, Ohio. But anyways, this is obviously a bad deal for $1. Plus it has like rust or corrosion on the bottom left hand side, so obviously a bad coin detail wise, and I can get these in coin rolls for face value, which is 5 cents. This one is actually kind of interesting. A 1960 Denver Jefferson nickel. Apparently it's scarce along with the other one I just showed you, but obviously $1 is a really bad deal for a Jefferson nickel I can get for face value. This looks like this guy's actually selling them from like inside a coin album from the older Whitmans, but obviously a bad deal for $1 and $3.99 with shipping and handling. Now on to our first Etsy find. Apparently this is a very rare 1959 Double D variety, which can't really even see it. Really good. And for $2,700, really. Apparently this is a rare find, so even though I get these in my penny boxes almost every hunt. But anyways, you can't even argue that is a horrible deal. Now I found this one, and it's kind of interesting in a way. For a second, I saw this quarter. I don't know if it's silver or not. It doesn't show the date. I think it's clad, but yeah. This ancient Roman Greek coin, not Roman, it's Greek coin. Apparently, it is an antique bronze Greek coin, but it's obviously a reproduction. But it just makes me angry in a way that they say it's antique in a way, but it's obviously just a charm. So, but yeah. So obviously, if you are interested in buying this for your charm bracelet, it actually says down here beautiful replica, but anyways, if you're interested in buying that for your charm bracelet, I guess it's a good deal, but coin-wise, it is a bad deal for a reproduction Alexander the Great reproduction coin. On to our final 2 contestants. This is a 1964 Denver Jefferson nickel U.S. coins, old coins, vintage coins, for $24.95. I mean, $25 for, apparently that picture doesn't work, but $25 for a coin that I can get in circulation for 5 cents. I believe this is the same guy, so apparently it's a very rare find. Hey, this guy doesn't lie. It's a very rare old Jefferson. Now on to our final contestant. We have a 1957 Denver Lincoln wheat cent U.S. coins old lot. Jewelry supplies. I don't know if that's the guy who's selling it, but for $2, that's obviously a bad deal. because I can get these at my LCS for 2 cents each, like I said before. So I don't know where this guy's getting his prices at, but try to sell them to LCS to see what they'll give you. But anyways, this is the wrap up for the video. Thank you for watching Bad Coin Deals Episode 2. Make sure to smash the like button, and if you are not new, subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload my next video. But anyways, thanks for watching, and Coin Searcher out.